Hey, what's up, guys? So today we will be presenting our application. My name is Omar Al-Shingiti.
And my name is Bryan Magdaleno.
Okay, so what we did here is an application that basically takes three ingredients from the user, and then shows a recipe that uses these three ingredients. So we'll show a quick demo here. So let's say that the user inputs three ingredients, say bread, uh, butter, and then anchovies, and then click search. So they should see like a recipe that basically uses these three ingredients. So if we change some of the ingredients, say we switch this to carrots and we change this to cauliflower or something, then we should see a different recipe. Yeah. So that's basically the main idea of the app.
So why we did this, or why we find this application important, is because many of the times I myself find it difficult to search up my own ingredients and get a recipe back. So this app greatly helps me to reduce the amount of food that I buy out, and encourages me to cook my own food instead of buying food that I would have bought from, like, say, McDonald's or something. So the role that I played in this application was coming up with the design of the application itself. We came up with three input boxes, which are three text boxes where the user is able to input three of their ingredients. We added a search button, which allows the application to save and go through the variables, and we also included a scroll view to allow the user to scroll up and down the application to fully see the recipe and get all of the information they need to make their food.
Yeah, and what I did in the application was basically to deal with the user inputs and also to do the requests and calls of the of the of the of the API. Like one challenge that I faced, like as I did this, was that the recipes actually were not saved in an array, but rather like each recipe was actually saved in a different URL. So I actually had to change the URL like each time I would um, parse that recipe. So like that was something a bit like different that I had to deal with. And also like one more challenge that I faced was that like the recipes were like so huge in number. Like as you guys can see, it's like over 100,000 recipes. So I feel that like one future work that could be done is like to change the way that we loop through these recipes. I mean, one way of doing this in a more efficient way is maybe to like make go for more than one request at the same time. Like this way, we can save like some time instead of like looping through all of the recipes until we find the recipe that we're looking for. Yeah, so I guess like this is our application and this is what we did. Thank you guys for listening.